Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. In last video we showed you that garden preparation shopping. So today's video I am going to share this how you are preparing the soil and germination process. So let's go for that soil preparation then. As we are not a professional gardener, we are learning and implementing. Last year we did it in a bit different way. This year we are implementing something new, which both we learned. Both means me and my husband. Definitely I can't do everything on my own. He is helping a big way.
It's better if you can dig the soil. The purpose of digging is to loosen up the soil. Lots of weed roots are there and some stones as well, which prevents the growth of the new plants. We will remove the upper layer of soil as we are going to add some compost and other things. It's better when you grow vegetables if you can take out the stones from the soil. You can see so much rubbish came out from this area. Now the soil is loosened up completely. We will add some nutrients for soil like chicken pellets, bone meal and compost. Then we will mix everything with the main soil. All these will help the plants' healthy growth. After adding the compost, then we'll mix everything with the main soil. Definitely it's a bit of hard work. Now the soil is ready. Now the time came to protect the soil from fungi. To save the soil from any type of fungi, we are adding neem oil. We will add seaweed as well to break down into the soil, and it converts unavailable nutrients into forms that plants can use. And we'll add Epsom salt as well. We added all the nutrients in the water. Now time to soak the soil. We will cover this area with black plastic sheet. It works well as it also heats up the soil, increasing the rate of growth and breakdown of weeds, and it keeps the moisture in all the way to the surface. And secure these plastic sheets with that clip.
So most of the year we do the same thing for the soil preparation. Only new things we added this time. We added Epsom salt, neem oil to prepare the soil, and we are covering the soil this time. And why did you do? Definitely I'll share with you. So most of the hard work for today's video you have seen, my husband only did. I didn't do much. So all the hard work credit goes to him only. So soil preparation is over. So let's go for the germination now.
This is my germination area. Still it's in the process. This is my palak. I put seeds of tomato, different type of chilies, brinjal, bean, green peas as well, and lots of other vegetables. I did the germination two ways, and some seeds I straightaway put into the soil and some seeds I soaked and then I did the germination. Here I took two different types of pumpkin seeds. Both I soaked for 24 hours. Then after 24 hours I put those seeds into a kitchen towel. Moist the kitchen towel. Folded nicely and wrapped it in the black bin and kept it in the warm place. After 3 days, you can see the shoot came out from one type of pumpkin, but other it didn't come out at all. These are my pumpkin plants which came out from the shoot which I shared just now.
So yes, we did germination 2 ways. Some seeds we put directly into the soil, some we just put in the wet kitchen towel and wrap it and put in the warm place. So we did both the ways. So yes, another thing I'd like to share one tips, because most of the germination when it came out we put in the windowsill or in our utility room where the temperature is a bit better than the conservatory. So after that we moved to the conservatory where I'm standing in the conservatory now. But when the plants are very tiny, it couldn't survive here because in conservatory's temperature is a bit lower. So just check the temperature where you are keeping. So anyway, from mid-May the weather will be nice, temperature will rise up, so it will not be a problem. We can take our plants outside straight. So yes, our soil preparation is going on, seeding is going on. So that's the process. More new videos, gardening videos will come to my channel. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I upload my new video. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.